I guess we'll sit here and watch fireworks that Warsaw didn't have for the 4th.
Yep, and they said they'll have it till the August.
This is Warsaw's fireworks display where Cody had his on the 4th. They're saving money. They had theirs in August when nobody knew it was going on. Well, I guess it's over already. It will.
Give him a bite right there, guys.
Get ready to start cranking on that, bud. When I tell you, you start reeling down, okay? Actually, I think you know when to do it, but... Man, I hope they didn't get the bait off there. Oh, he's hitting it pretty good, ain't he? Ready. When he pulls down, you start reeling. You hit that fish and get it in here, you're gonna be a YouTube star. You hear me? He might be on there, I don't know. But you feel him pulling, you pull back, okay? Uh-oh, he's still there, ain't he? When he pulls, you pull. Is he on there?
He's on there.
You reel him in.
Oh.
Reel him in here, bud. You got him? Is it a fish?
It's a fish, all right.
Reel it up here. I don't think you got anything. I think you're playing with me. Reel him up here, bud.
Yep, he's on there.
Reel it up here. Reel it up here. You should be almost to the boat with him. Is he on there?
He's on it. He's tugging.
Reel him on here. Get him in here, bud. Oh, he's splashing around. Get him in here. Bring you up here. You got a monster, bud.
He's big.
I don't know about that, but we'll bring him around here. Pull the rod around here to the front of the boat so I can get to him. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Solo.
Oh, look at him.
Hold on to the rod.
I got him.
You got him. You did it all by yourself, every bit of it.
No. He was toying with me at first, but I got him.
Yeah, you got him. Little blue cat. Okay, hand me this. You take your fish. You got him? Hold him up for the camera. Put your thumb in his mouth so you can hang on to him. Okay? Hold him out here.
I caught him.
You caught him.
I got him, guys.
All right. Oh.
Hey, buddy.
All right, tell your fish you love him and throw him back in the water, bud.
Love you, buddy.
Tell him to go get nasty big.
Pretty big.
Yeah. Good job, bud.
Yeah. That's fun.
Guys, we have moved up here. We have moved up here into the old channel. We're only in about 15 foot of water right now, 10 or 15 foot of water. And
20.
We never had a bite. Not one single bite.
Yeah,
From the no boat buoys to 7 Highway Bridge and back. Not one bite. We casted this. We never had time to get the second one ready, and we got to fish it.
We got a big one.
Think you can do that again, bud?
Yes. That's fun.
Hold on. Lay it down in the rod holder so that the rod holds it steady for you. But we found the little ones. There may be a big one mixed into it. What did you say, Ranger? Reel him in. Set the hook. You got him? Good deal. Reel him up here. Reel him up here.
He's fighting.
Don't give him any slack. Get him up here. Is he bigger than the last one? I don't think you got a fish. I think you're imagining things. Is there a fish on there? There sure is. Bring him up here and I'll spin him around here. Spin the rod around here.
Again! We got him. We got him.
You got him all right. Ready?
Second fish today.
Hold the fish for the camera. Put your thumb in his mouth. See, you got him? Hold him out there for the camera. Can the camera see that?
Fish number 2, guys. Fish number 2.
Okay, tell him you love him.
Love you, buddy.
Tell him to go get nasty big and throw him
Go
back
get
in.
big.
Good job, buddy.
Fish
Good
number
job.
2 in the book.
Good job, buddy. All right, guys, I'm gonna make this my closing. We only caught 2 fish tonight. They were dinks. Ranger caught 2 fish. Ranger showed old Dad up tonight. Okay.
Yeah.
We drug for miles. I knew the fishing was going to be jacked up when I seen the water was stopped, but there was one for the record books. When I backed the boat in the water and we went fishing, I left the window down on the passenger side and didn't realize it about 3/4 of the way down. When I walked up here to get my pickup and back into back the trailer in to get the boat, I opened the door. There was a raccoon in my seat. He was as scared as I was, but I went one direction, he went the other. He went out the window. I did a combat roll around the back of the truck here through the parking lot. I hope I'm not on somebody else's YouTube channel right now, because I guarantee you it made a pretty good video. But anyway, me and Ranger had a pretty good time. Dad and son out on the rock. One of these days I'll have Ranger's twin brother here, maybe his older brother Hunter, maybe his older brother yet Tyler, his sister Coral. You know, I got all kind of kids. But yeah, that raccoon, man, that's one for the record book right there. I'm gonna have dreams about that. I'm gonna have nightmares. We made eye contact. Well, I was like this close. I opened the door and he looked right at me and I looked right at him, and we parted ways in a hurry. But anyhow,
Scary raccoon.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I got to do something here. I got to get on some fish here. Something. I'm after that money fish. I need him bad. So stay tuned. I try to fish at least one day a week. That's all I really got time for. It's hot. It's windy. It's miserable. It's muggy. It's It's humid. Yeah, muggy, humid, same thing, bud. But it's bad. But anyway, see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.